Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and to this video we're going to talk about how to recover deleted TikTok photo. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, and as first step, go to your profile by tap here at the bottom, then tap on three line at the top right and choose settings and privacy. Scroll down and from content choose this option here, activity center. Now choose recently deleted. Great, here you can see all the video and photo you deleted. Choose the photo you want to recover it, and just note that you can recover the photo only if it hasn't been deleted for more than 30 days. If more than 30 days have passed since it was deleted, the photo cannot be recovered. Well, to recover the photo, choose Restore, then Confirm by tap here. And if we go back to the profile, we can see that the photo is recovered. Thanks for watching. See ya.